Beautiful. Elegant. Determined. Resilient. Caring. Devoted. Inspirational. Beloved. Unique. Worthy. Authentic.
Radiant. Gracious. Worth loving.
Hello, Ethelyn Carpio. I heard it's your birthday. I just wanted to say happy birthday from myself and RJ, who's downstairs now. He's kind of like, we're getting ready for a music video shoot. But I hope to meet you guys one day. Keep it up with the vlog, and thank you so much for watching our vlogs. I hope you celebrate your day, your week, your month, of life. And I hope all your dreams come true, and may you be showered with blessings. June birthdays. Yeah. Happy birthday. Bye.
Is it kana so happy birthday Miss Ethelyn Carpio. Sabi ng husband niyo is lagi daw po kayong nanonood sa aking videos. And ang sweet naman ng husband niyo, may mga paganito pa siyang mga nalalaman. Opo. So, ayun. Maraming salamat. I hope next time makita ko po kayo and enjoy your birthday. Kung merong mga sobra dyan, baka naman. The joke.
Hello, Miss Ethel. Happy birthday to you today. I wish you all the happiness in the world, good health, and enjoy lang life with your family. So, ayun, hope to see you. Sana naman magkita tayo and enjoy your day. Kain ka ng masarap. God bless.
Hi po, Ma'am Ethelyn Carpio. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Request po talaga ito ni husband nyo, si Sir Pablo Scuba. Ayan, para sa inyong birthday. Ngayong araw na to. Ngayong araw ba yung birthday nyo? Ayan. Anyway, maraming salamat sa suporta nyo sa JP Noy Vlogs. And God bless po sa inyo. And happy birthday po ulit. Ingat po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ethelyn! Ako po ang nag-bake ng cake niyo. Ako naman po yung nag-dedication. Happy